Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MetaMask app. First, download the official MetaMask application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If creating a new wallet, you will receive a 12-word secret recovery phrase. It is crucial to write this down and store it in a safe, offline location immediately. Never share this phrase with anyone. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some funds. Your unique public wallet address is prominently displayed at the top of the app. You can send cryptocurrencies, such as Ether, to this address from a crypto exchange or another personal wallet. Alternatively, MetaMask offers a convenient buy option within the app, allowing you to purchase crypto directly using various payment methods. MetaMask truly shines when interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps. To do this, tap the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, to open the in-app browser. Here, you can navigate to any dApp or Web3 website. When a dApp requests to connect to your wallet or asks you to confirm a transaction, MetaMask will prompt you, ensuring a secure and seamless experience. Managing your digital assets is straightforward with MetaMask. On the main wallet screen, you can easily view your current cryptocurrency balances and review your transaction history. If you hold less common tokens, you can add them by importing their specific contract address. For optimal security, always remember to log out or lock your MetaMask wallet when you are finished using it, especially on shared devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.